hummingbird is one of the tiniest birds in the world, yet it is full of energy and charm. With wings that beat up to 80 times per second, it can hover in the air like a helicopter and even fly backward. These little jewels of nature sip nectar from flowers with their long, slender beaks, helping plants with pollination. Their feathers shimmer in the sunlight, making them look like flying gems. Small but mighty, the hummingbird is truly a wonder of the skies. Kindly share and subscribe for more amazing videos.